Hey everyone, it's Mrs. Bailey here. Now that you know the letters of the alphabet and have a basic understanding of letter sounds, let's practice on putting them to use. Before we begin, let's just do a quick review of letters and their sounds. For this video, we'll be using both upper and lowercase letters, so be sure to pay close attention. Instead of naming the letters, try to make the letter sound before I say it. By the end of this video, you will be able to blend letter sounds together in order to read words. Let's get started. B, A, K, E, D, H, A, K, F, G, J, I, A, N, U, Q, M, P, W, Z, V, S, X, Y, T. Before we begin making three-letter words, I just wanted to let you know that for this video, one of these letters will always be in the middle. These are called vowels. Let's make their short sounds together. A, E, I, A, U. Let's blend them together so we can read the words you're about to see. As I point to the letters, try to make the sound before I say it. When I slide across the bottom of the letters, put all of the sounds together and there you have it. You've just read a word using letter sounds. Let's get started. K, A, T, K, A, T. Cat, K, at, cat. Notice the vowel that says A right here in the middle. Let's try another one. Yeah. S, Yeah. Eh. S. Yes. Yes. Once again, the vowel in the middle that says eh. Eh. S. Eh. X. S. Eh. X. Six. Six. Here's the vowel right here in the middle that says eh. Eh. Let's try another one. Ah. X. Ah. X. Ox. Fox. Here's the vowel in the middle that says ah. Ah. All right. K. P. K. P. K. Up. Cup. Here's the vowel right in the middle that says We just used the letter sounds we know to read three-letter words. Now let's see if you can do it on your own. When you see the picture, use the three-letter sounds to complete the word. It might be helpful if you say, then write each letter sound you hear. Are you ready? All right, let's get started. B. T. B. T. Which letter sound is missing? B. At. Bat. For this bed, we have one vowel here that says eh. Eh. Let's figure out which letter sounds are missing in the word bed. B. Eh. D. Bed. For this pig, let's see which letter sounds are missing in the word pig. P. I. G. Pig. Look. And for this cow, cow. What letter sounds do you think are missing? Let's see. K. Ah. Woo. K. Ow. Cow. Last but not least, here's a bus. A bus. Which letter sounds do you hear in the word bus? b, s, bus. Now that you know how to make and read words using letter sounds, visit this first link to try more words on your own. Or you can visit this second link to get more familiar with 3-letter rhyming words. Until next time, bye-bye.